Now, there is this one affiliate marketing strategy that most marketers, but especially beginners, ignore. They watch countless videos on how to make money online as an affiliate, but none of them share this. And I can understand why they lie to you. I mean, they don't make money by giving away the real thing. They make money by keeping you entertained and by posting more videos on YouTube. But when you have a real business behind it like I have, and you have hundreds of 5 to 6 figure affiliate marketing campaigns under your belt like I have, you think about affiliate marketing completely differently. So if you want to learn about the most effective affiliate marketing strategy today, watch this video from A to Z. You'll be glad you did. Now, it's very clear to me that you have been lied about what affiliate marketing truly is. So let's get those few lies, or I should say misconceptions, out of the way, as this will ensure you are not chasing $100 opportunities when in fact you could be making $10,000 or more. The first one, and I bet you have heard this a million times before, is that affiliate marketing is simple because you don't need a website. You can just post a link on social media sites and there will be hundreds of cheerful people clicking on it and buying so that you can make money. Well, in my 15-year affiliate marketing journey, I have never seen that happening because technically you don't need a website indeed. In fact, most businesses don't need them anymore. You still need a landing page where you can send traffic without exposing yourself as an affiliate. Because regardless of what you promote, most likely as a traffic source, you'll use social media as that's where all the traffic is today. And on social media, you need to post a link that's trustworthy, meaning something that doesn't look like an affiliate link, as otherwise you won't get any clicks on it. And without clicks, you won't make any money. I actually made the entire video about it. You can watch it right here. It will show you how to build a simple page in minutes that you can use as an affiliate to make more money, and you can do it completely free. Now, the next big lie is that affiliate marketing is set and forget type of business model and that it will automatically make you money for life. Well, nothing's further from the truth because it requires quite sophisticated, advanced level setup with mastery in joint ventures or other evergreen traffic sources to make affiliate marketing a set and forget business model. I mean, it can become like that, but usually it's a byproduct of something else. For example, you do a joint venture with another affiliate to leverage what's known as a thank you page listing. But all of this is only possible when you have built strong relationships and you are already recognized as a top affiliate in a particular niche. Lastly, they say it's easy to make money as an affiliate. Well, as the author of the famous book, The Greatest Salesman in the World, Og Mandino, once said, everything that looks easy is hard to prepare. Affiliate marketing looks easy on the surface level, and if your goal is to make a few dollars here and there, then it's fine. It's like that. But the moment you get serious and you want to make $1,000, $5,000, replace income from your day job or pay down your mortgage or any other serious goal, it's no longer that easy. Look, I know you want a silver bullet that will catapult you from nobody to serious profits online. But fortunately, it doesn't work like that. It ensures that all the lazy bastards and time wasters stay broke, while giving a real chance to those who are willing to make an effort. So if you are the one of those who is willing to make the serious money online, the next part of my video is going to change everything for you. Are you ready? All right, the question here is this. How do you really become successful as an affiliate? What makes people generate 5 to 6 and even 7 figures with it? Well, the answer boils down to a single word: access. Only having access to thousands of people with a single click will ensure that you can make money today, tomorrow, and for foreseeable future. That's how every single affiliate is doing it. You see, today in the AI-driven world where everything is rapidly changing and almost everyone can get information on just about anything, the only real competitive advantage that you can have is access to a large group of people. Because remember, money comes from people. They make a decision to spend it. So the more people you can access, the more money you will make. For example, in my business, I can access over 75,000 people. So whenever I need to generate revenue, I just send an email. That's it. Now, at this point, you might be thinking, Pierre, this is ridiculous. How am I going to get access to people if I have nothing? Well, thankfully, there are so many easy ways how to do it, regardless of how long you have been online, what's your background and experience. So let me share with you a few right here. First, start with a simple community about the topic related to your affiliate offer. Community is by far the fastest way to build trust, which is what you need to get people to take action, meaning click your link and buy. You can build a community with my platform, Dashnix, or you can open a simple Telegram channel. There are lots of ways how to do it, but community is your start. Next, leverage the AI tools to build a valuable giveaway to people of your community. During the discussions, you will quickly discover what challenges they face and what they worry about. So you can use this information to come up with a solution. It doesn't need to be a big thing. It could be just a single-page PDF that holds the keys to the solution people want. Another option, but this is kind of more resource heavy and takes time to build, is transcribing 20, 50, or 100 videos of well-known authorities in your niche and building a GPT from that. So you package the transcript in the PDF, create a GPT, and give private access to it to people who join your email list. This is an insane value that you can give to high-value individuals who look to save time. There are plenty of other creative ways to go about it, but the key thing is that you need to figure out how to get access to people, and going the community plus the giveaway route is the shortcut. All right, so far I have shared with you the strategy and even some insanely powerful tactical steps that can completely change the trajectory of your results. Understand this. Every single engaging subscriber you get on your email list is increasing the value of you as a marketer and thus giving you bigger opportunities to make more money. Did you hear that? Rewind 10 seconds and listen to this part again. Access to people makes you valuable, and that's what allows you to build passive income streams as well as take home $100,000 or more with a single promotion as an affiliate. You see, when you have a list of people and a community that's engaging with you, there are plenty of opportunities for you to build an automated affiliate webinar or even do a live webinar with someone like myself. And as a result, a single webinar with a few emails could give you 5 or even 6-figure results. I know this because I have done it multiple times and I have been on both sides of the table, meaning I have presented a webinar as a product creator to the audience of an affiliate, making him 6 figures in commissions, and I have promoted a live webinar as an affiliate and made 6 figures in commission. The opportunities are endless. Plus, today you can get a company like mine to sponsor your broadcast or newsletter and effectively give you thousands of dollars up front. I think you got the point. So if you are nobody, you will get nothing. So your affiliate marketing strategy should be about how to become somebody. How do you build attention where people are interested to learn from you? And you don't have to show your face or become a thought leader or something like that. There are plenty of examples online where people leverage the power of AI to create communities, get attention, and build access to millions of people. Look, I started with nothing. I had no bank account, huge debt, no English language writing skills, and absolutely zero knowledge about making money online or affiliate marketing. I wasted the first 18 months chasing $100 opportunities, And you can read my story via the link in the description if you care to learn more. But the moment I understood what truly makes money online and that access to people is what separates nobodies from somebodies, things changed for me. If you want to make money as an affiliate, start with the steps we discussed in this video. Pick the niche, build the community, and get access to as many people as you possibly can. Yes, it will take a little bit of time, but today, with all the AI tools available at your fingertips, with a little bit of resourcefulness and strong will, you can accomplish a lot very fast. All right, that's all I wanted to share with you today. Please don't forget to like this video and leave me a comment. Tell me what has been your biggest struggle so far when it comes to affiliate marketing. I will definitely get back to you. Thanks again. My name is Peter Gerdy, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.